video of him with one of them on my channel. They don't want to leave that corn that I just put out there. There you go. That big one don't want to leave. But he got to let me pass. Then you can have it. He's gonna come back there and just start eating corn. Can't make up his mind. Let's see if I can help him. Yeah, he don't care. And I mean, I got it on Zoom, but let's see. Right there is regular view. That little one even come back out. It's crazy. Yep, that's at 8 point because he's got a notch in his ear. I mean, he's not at 8 point now, but he was. They do not care. They're not scared of me at all. But I got to go that way. So, over and out.